Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to continue our story about Frank Mitchum, the prisoner. Well, as usual, after this story, I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Please try to understand and listen to me carefully. Frank is thinking. He doesn't know that Harry Gilmore and Lucky Jones are behind him. I'm free now. I was in prison at 9 o'clock this morning. I don't want to go back there. I wasn't happy there. Things were terrible. But what can I do now? I cannot go back to Chicago because my mother doesn't want to see me. And I don't want to stay here in New York because I don't have a job and I don't have any money either. Maybe my father can help me. But where is he now? I don't know. Last year, he was in Las Vegas, I think. What about my sister? No, she cannot help me either. Alright, now it's time to ask you some questions. Question number 1. Is Frank free now? Does he know that Harry Gilmore and Lucky Jones behind him? Is he happy now? Where was he at 9 o'clock this morning? Well, the next question. Can he go back to Chicago? Does his mother want to see him? Can his father help him? Does he know where his father is? Can his sister help him? The next question. Does he want to stay here in New York? Does he have a job? The last question. Does he have any money? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you, and if you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.